welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber and old subscriber, please give yourself a massive thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Please click the red button down there and want to subscribe. It's just for free, guys. And please watch this video that I'm about to share with you and some of the videos that I shared prior. Please comment, and we are going to be doing a new thing today. We're going to be cooking them this scones mafi, okay? Very soft and very delicious. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do them all. So please watch with me and please share with me some of the recipes that you guys also do. They're kind of different from what I just shared right now. So let's get into it right now. This is what we have to do. The dry stuff into their own bowl, and then the watery ones, this one vanilla and muffin whatsoever, we mix them into one jar. So I'm just going to do that right now. So yes, so I just opted to use this white sugar. You can use any kind of sugar that you want, the brown one or the white one, but I prefer this one for baking. And the measurements are also a preference. Now when it's a person so I don't like too much sugar, and because I'm going to use something in and little so I'm just going to do I don't know, 75% of it. Yes. And then I'm using my best friend right here. You know, I can just add it's not a must actually to do this. It's just a preference. Yeah, I'm actually going to use this whole packet actually. Yeah. And this packet is 125 grams. Yeah. Okay guys, still I hope like it's the dry ones we use the same bowl, and it's the weight we use the same bowl. So my best friend right here, this is 500 ml. Yeah, MF. You can use any kind of sour milk that you want. Yes. So remember, you have to shake before you shake. So get that into that small bowl. Okay guys, so your girl is done with the wet ones. So get kopanza in this bowl. I'll try to show you when I'm done. So right now with this hand, I'm using my hand, of course, to stir this these lumps. It's the margarine. But hey, I'm ready, child. Like, I'm ready. Guys, I nearly forgot salt. This is salt that I'm using. They take up 300 hours later, so I'm done using my hand, mixing this and making sure that Morena Margarine did not isolate herself from other babies. So I'll just come and show you shortly how does this whole thing look. Jinga munch. So now that I'm done with this whole thing of mixing them, so I'm going to be pouring this once, the red ones, the dry ones, and then I should stir. mixing this whole thing. So I should put the stove on, where it should be preheat 180 degrees. But hey, I think this one is also a preference of not stove house, because you can also preheat it at 220. The choice is yours, child. So yes. Okay guys, so now that your girl is done mixing this, and I can add the shape, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this as my base actually, and something else you'll see. Please stay tuned. Actually, this biscuits get in a dimari. They are it was a pride, but everywhere I get the day. Okay, and my secret, girls. Actually, I learned the secret from one of my sisters. So let's do this. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is going to be the top part. But the top part though. Okay, let me do this. I took the white marshmallow. I gave it because it's going to consume a lot of dough. So and we're using my spatula. This is why I'm making ice cream. Make sure that you cover this marshmallow because it actually melts. You're actually going to do this over and over again, just to mold and make sure that please the marshmallow inside is really covered up, because air melt and it lights up class. So yes, this time around I took a pink one. I hope you can see that this one is a pink one, not a white one, unlike last time. So you're just gonna do the same thing over and over again. So I guess I'll fast forward this thing. I actually forgot something, guys. While you are still let me do this. Some people choose to use the raisins moraga. It's still your preference whether you do or you don't. Actually, it's not like if you don't or if you do, it doesn't make much of a difference. But I didn't buy them because I bought these marshmallows, and like I said, so I just didn't want too much sugar actually. Social distancing, yes. Social distancing idea. Okay guys, so we are now done. Social distancing, yeah, right here. So this is how they look, and then I'll come and show you and whatsoever. So yeah, Elena, chef mama. Okay, so this is how the bottom looks like, and I'm not sure if it's but I think so, yes. So how this is how it looks like inside. Okay, I hope I inserted the marshmallow. Elena. Ding ding ding. So that is it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please allow me to say thank you once again. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Ciao.